What's up, people? We're back. We're out of the MPA. Cape York was amazing, but that red dirt is not forgiving. Oh my god, the car got absolutely peppered. That's been cleaned as well since. This is a van. Look at it. Look, everything. All through the cupboards, look, everywhere. How you doing, mummy?
To do know, I fucking hate you. Honestly. I fucking hate you.
Oh,
there is not enough
hard to
beer
see.
in Australia to numb this fucking pain. We go the first time, and I said I'd never do it again ever in my life, and then I let you talk me into, oh, it's beautiful, it's beautiful. Turn the fucking camera off and clean.
Them Cape York feels, eh? We finished up in the Cape area. We're down in Mareeba, and we're going to the car wash, hopefully.
We're going to the car wash. Oh.
Hopefully it's not a 10 lineup.
Playground. We're about to see. Brennan's got his lead foot down trying to beat them all. Get them!
Yesterday we did a drive-by and it was like 3 caravans parked out the front, couple of boats, 2 in there waiting. Cars couldn't even get in to be washed. It was terrible. Fingers crossed, here we go. Let's see.
Okay, well, there's no people outside on the bloody road. Oh!
No way. No way.
I'm that excited.
Oh, look at this.
Oh, it just rolled out.
It just...
Oh, man.
Oh, the timing is impeccable.
That's my man.
Oh. Here we go.
Woo! Never been so excited in my life. I'm like, shit, there's going to be like 4 or 5 at least. We beat the rush.
We beat the rush, babe. Woo.
That was so fucking hard.
How much did you put in?
Probably $40.
And I probably did 35. I think I did 10. I did 10.25. So $75. But hey, for car and van, that's pretty good, especially when you've been up the Cape.
Hey, it'll still need a full detail.
Well, we got the van all clean, got the car semi-clean. Now it's back to seeing what Mareeba's got. Where are we at, honey?
I can't remember. Elliot Falls?
Emerald Creek. Emerald Creek Falls. We've got a beautiful 1.9k return walk. We've got the reward of a swim in the middle and some beautiful views. Let's check it out. Hey Bella, are your legs broken?
Yeah.
Do you need to go to hospital?
Yeah, and that's a lollipop.
Yeah, it's nice up at the waterfall. But look at this. We've got our own private little beach.
Oh, and now moving here.
Yeah.
Moving here.
Oh, you little fucker.
Mum. Mum.
Assuming your position, Kath. This is how you always. Come on, everyone in their seats.
I've seen you sit drinks like As you go.
This is what camp looks like after you've been up, Kate.
Just like to get out, would you?
Everything's out to be cleaned.
This is what happens when Mummy doesn't
Yep.
do her duties
Yep.
and just drinks better beer.
We're almost there. Look at the van. Look how clean the van is. Look at that. Oh, how sexy is that van? Don't worry about the mess. Oh, look at that. Look at the crooked sticker. Oh yeah, there's some funny vids on this. Old Kristen sticker. Ooh. But
I've just been following you guys.
look at all the clothes, Kristen.